What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today what we're going to be doing is going to get more gas because this thing freaking is ridiculous on gas, and I actually don't know how much gas I have because my gas gauge doesn't work for the front tank. So yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to go to the car wash. We're going to get some cool drone pics. I bought this thing a while ago and I really only used it in like one video. So I want to get some more drone pics and stuff. It is a little windy out today, but I mean, I'm not going to really let that stop me. So that's the plan for today. But first we got to check my oil before I leave. Because I brought to your guys' attention yesterday that oil leak that I have. It seems to have gotten worse. I believe it's my rear main seal. So I'm going to check that first before we go. So I used like 7 gallons, and I don't think I even went like 50 miles since the last time I fueled up. So yeah, I don't know what that is, but it doesn't sound very good. Okay, so I just did the math. So 50 divided by 7 comes out to be like 7. And I actually don't even think I've gone 50 miles since I filled up last. So I guess my gas mileage is quite a bit worse than I thought. I'm probably getting like 6. Maybe 6.5. So that's not very good. Not very good at all. I thought I was getting like at least 7. So yeah, that's not that great. Alright, so the truck is clean now. Now we can go to the spot I want to go to take some drone shots. I'll probably go to a couple different spots. I mean, the drone battery doesn't really last super long. I think you only get like 15 minutes of fly time out of it. So we'll just see how much we can do. I really should have brought gloves to the car wash because I was only out there for like 11 minutes and my fingers are froze. It's like 25 degrees out, so yeah, my fingers kind of just like froze right up. But so we're just gonna go to the spot and take some drone pics. Hopefully that goes well. The truck is clean now. Thankfully though, like I only had to spray it with the soap and then spray it with the water because it wasn't really all that dirty, and the bed liner kind of, I don't know, kind of a little bit easier, I guess, maybe with the bed liner. I don't know, maybe I'm just talking out my ass, probably. All right, let's go. So this bitch in front of me, I know you guys can't even see her car because she's fucking tiny, but she's on her phone in the lane that people use to go right, sitting there waiting to go straight on her phone. Come on. so like I was saying before, it really, pretty much the drone's dead now. It doesn't have like a crazy amount of fly time. It has like 15 minutes, and in the cold, I think it's actually even less than that. I guess the cold just like messes with the batteries or something. It's actually, I think it's a little bit too windy out here for the drone too. But because we are in a pretty open area, as you guys could see, so I mean, hopefully I can do something cool with the footage that I just got right there, but we might have to wait till a day where it's not really as windy and maybe not as cold. Like in the summer, I'll be able to do a bunch of stuff. Like really what I want to do is go up to the mountain over there and some cool shots up there of stuff, but I mean, it's just not really gonna happen because I guarantee you it's way windier up on top of the mountain than it is down here. Plus the battery's dead, so I mean, I guess that's just kind of what we get for now, but we'll have more coming. I'll have some more stuff once it gets not as windy out and not as cold out. It would also really help too if I had somebody else that I'm gonna have to teach a friend how to fly the drone, and when we get a day that's warmer and not as windy, have them get some shots, because it doesn't really have the best range. So like if I'm in the truck controlling the drone, it really doesn't have like the best response. I kind of need someone like on the ground controlling the drone, taking video. By the way, down there, down that trail, it looks like there's been some people in there this year too. That's the trail I got my truck stuck on a couple months back. But yeah, if I can just get someone to take some shots for me, then that'd be a whole lot better. I'm gonna have to try and see if I can get somebody to do that, and then we can get some really good footage. So yeah. Fun fact for you guys, there's an abandoned house up here. I've never been in it before, and I don't plan on it, but there is one. So this is where I wanted to come out to, but the drone's dead, so I kind of can't. But I feel like we would have been able to get some cool shots up here. You can see for miles, so. But yeah, I just figured I'd show you guys this. This is where I wanted to go, so at some point we'll probably be coming back here and getting shots of the mountains and stuff. Look at that sexy old Ford right there, just waiting for me. Just waiting for me. I normally don't come up here that often. I mean, like, you're allowed to come up here, but a lot of the time, like if you're up here at night, then you can pretty much guarantee that someone's gonna call the cops on you, and then they're gonna end up coming up here and reading you your rights and stuff. Not really, but I have been up here before and had run-ins with police officers. Like one time, actually, I can tell you guys the story about that. Might be a little icy backing up out of here. A little bit. But, so I was over, so it was like late at night, okay? Probably like, I don't know, the sun had just went down. It was in the winter. So it was probably only like 5, 6 o'clock. And me and two of my friends were down here, just like hanging out, whatever. Like, we had nothing better to do. And see, because a lot of people, they come up here to like do drugs and stuff. So, I mean, that's why you don't come up here at night, and that's why the cops get called on people. But we were just sitting like around this corner. There's like a spot where you can just like sit and like park. So we're just like sitting up there, and the cops come up. But there were some other kids that were up here at the same time that we were, that came up afterwards. And I knew those kids. They weren't really the brightest of kids, and they definitely were up here doing stuff that they're not supposed to be doing. So we were parked like right here, and those other kids were actually past that snow mound doing shit that they weren't supposed to. So the cop comes over, he's asking us stuff, whatever, and he's like, oh, well, we got a call that some kids were smoking weed up here, whatever, and we came to check it out. And I'm like, well, honestly, the kids that you're looking for are down there. Because right when you came up, they shut their lights off. And he's like, oh, okay, well, thanks. And then he drove over there, and we left. So I don't know what happened, but yeah, fun fact for you, I'm a snitch. Not really, but I just kind of didn't want the cop to keep talking to us because we weren't doing nothing wrong. We were just sitting and hanging out, and I knew the kids that he wanted were back off in the woods a little bit more, because there's kind of a little trail that goes around here. So it's like a little trail, like really it's nothing even, but it is a little trail. So I knew that they were gonna be down there. Somebody honestly probably did call for us, but yeah, either way. So another thing about this road here, back in high school, probably like senior year, junior year, my friend had the smart idea that he was gonna try to set, like, I don't know, like hot laps or whatever, like see who could get up the mountain the fastest in their car. And I think he made it up here in like 62 seconds or something like that, which is ridiculously fast. Like, I'm going 15 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour. He was going way faster than that, which is kind of ridiculous. And because people like in the summer, like a lot of people come up here, and he was doing that in the summer. So, and he was in a Volkswagen Jetta, and he made it up this hill in like 60 something seconds, which is absolutely ridiculous, especially going uphill. Like, you guys can't really tell on camera, but this is like really steep. So, and the turns are pretty sharp. But then my other friend made it up in like a Volkswagen station, or not a Volkswagen, a Volvo station wagon in like 71 seconds. So yeah, it was kind of nuts. I didn't take part in that. Actually, well, I kind of tried to, but I had a 4-cylinder Jeep Wrangler back then, and even if I was trying to go up this hill fast, it just wouldn't. So I think I made it in like a minute 30. So yeah, wasn't all that impressive. I definitely lost the bet on that one. Alrighty guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it with your friends. If you want to go back and look at the build of the truck, that whole build is on my channel, from going to what it looked like when I bought it to what we have now. You guys can go ahead and watch that. Follow my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, on the screen now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you all for watching.